In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to Shopify. By the end, you'll have your Mailchimp account linked to your Shopify store so you can start syncing data and running email marketing more efficiently. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Mailchimp account and that you have admin access to the Shopify store you want to connect. Start in Mailchimp. Look to the left-hand sidebar and click Integrations. This section is where Mailchimp lists services it can connect with. If you don't immediately see the sidebar, hover near the edge or expand it so the integrations option is visible. Opening integrations ensures you're starting the connection from the Mailchimp side, which helps Mailchimp recognize your store once the app is installed. Next, use the search bar on the integrations page to type Shopify, then select it from the results. This brings up the Shopify integration page inside Mailchimp, where you'll see details about what the connection does. Things like syncing customer and order data to support segmentation and automated campaigns. Confirm you're on the official integration page and proceed. Now, click Connect. Mailchimp will direct you to the Shopify App Store in a new tab. Here, you'll install the Mailchimp app to your Shopify site. If you manage more than one store, make sure the correct store name appears at the top. If prompted, log into your Shopify admin so you can approve the installation. Click the Install or Add App button, review the permissions so you know what data will be shared, and confirm. This step simply authorizes Shopify and Mailchimp to talk to each other securely. Once the app is installed, you'll be prompted to log into Mailchimp if you're not already. Sign in and authorize the connection when asked. That handshake is what completes the link between your Mailchimp account and your Shopify store. After a moment, you should see confirmation that the connection is active. If you're redirected back to Mailchimp, the integrations page will show Shopify as connected. If the page doesn't update right away, give it a minute and refresh. That's all there is to it. If you run into any hiccups, like the connect button not responding, make sure pop-ups aren't blocked, you're using the right store, and you have the necessary permissions in both accounts. With the connection in place, your data can flow from Shopify to Mailchimp, setting you up for targeted campaigns and automated marketing without any extra lifting. Thanks for watching, and you're ready to go.